The SAPD drone program began this May 2019. We're integrating the drones to augment our public safety mission. Drone is an unmanned aerial system, and that's what the FAA calls them, and it's basically a robot with a camera on it that can fly. Currently we have 4 drones in operation, and we have 17 pilots that are trained and licensed to fly the drones. We're heavily regulated by the FAA and by the state, so we're not going to use the drone in any way that's going to be of harm to the public. We're not going to arm the drone in any way. We're not going to film anybody on private property unless we have a warrant or emergency circumstances.
So one of the unique missions that the drones can do is we can fly them indoors. One of the missions that we train for is to fly them into a school shooting scenario.
Secondly, we use the drones to film crime scenes, collect evidence.
I think the drones have become a great asset for the San Antonio Police Department. I think it's going to become a very useful tool.
Just like in any other government entity or public safety entity, we want all of you to use drones in a very safe and responsible manner.